Okay, so I really miss my lathe, but I want to turn this piece of PVC down. So I took a countersunk and I put it in the center, and I warmed it up in the center, so now it's glued to the inside of this, so I can use my drill press as lathe chuck, if you will. And I want to fit the end of this in here, so I can make a plug just for, I want to use it to keep my box of wine from dripping when I get done using it. So I just need to make a cap, but I figured I'd use this instead of buying one at the store. It'd be kind of fun, but so I got a chisel here, and I used a vise, and I'm just kind of working it in. So anyway, I got to go a little bit more on this thing. So let me make sure where we're at here. Got to get my angle right here. All right, so I'm gonna go with that. Let's see. Lock that down. Here we go. I just got to take a little off. So let's see how we do this. A little more. There we go. So I just needed a little bit. So I got to make this fit. Let's see if it'll fit. I want to fit this. All right, I got a little more. Oh, I got threads. I got to do more than that. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little more. I'll do it easy. Good gracious. I'm not used to this. Okay, here we go. A little more. I know this isn't what you taught me, Dad, but I'm gonna go a little more here. There we go. The chisel's sharp. Try that. Hey, look at that. It's got to go a little more. Okay, let's do it again. Crazy. There we go. That might do it. Ooh, look at that. I gotta still go more. I gotta go another eighth of an inch, so probably, let me do it. I'm gonna go a little deeper with this thing. Let me see. Right here. Here we go. Just take a little bit off. That might do it. I don't want to take too much off. All right, look at that thing. Look at it. All these little shavings. Yeah, the tool, the chuck is, or not chuck. The chisel is nice and sharp. Ooh, look at that. Almost wants to stick. All right, so I'm going to hit it one more time, I think, and then I'm going to throw a bevel on the bottom. Right about here. Right there. Let's try it. Oh, wait a minute. Using my other one. Taking off a little bit. Because I'm in the hot fluid in here. Hey, there it is. Okay.